The CODX share repurchase program is aligned with their commitment to return value to their shareholders and reflects confidence in their balance sheet and strong cash flow generation. They believe that the current share price provides them with an opportunity to strategically allocate capital in a way that helps drive continued growth and demonstrates their positive outlook for the company's future. The repurchase program does not obligate the company to acquire any particular amount of common shares, and the repurchase program may be suspended or discontinued at any time at the company's discretion. The CODX share repurchase program will be used to purchase shares of CODX at a price that is consistent with the company's common stock's current market price. The program will be designed to improve the company's capital needs and support its forward-looking initiatives. The program called Repurchase Agreements allows companies to purchase shares of their own stock at a set price and then release the shares back to the company at a future date. Repurchase agreements may be used in a variety of ways, such as to provide liquidity to a company's equity market and to improve company's performance.